I'm Dr. Elaine Lee, a board-certified general surgeon and a fellowship-trained breast surgeon. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to talk to you about breast cancer screening and what my role is as a breast surgeon. 大家好，我係李慧文醫生，我係一位委員會認證嘅外科醫生，都係一位接受過專科培訓嘅預防外科醫生。多謝大家俾機會我嚟談論乳癌嘅篩檢同埋我作為預防嘅外科醫生嘅角色。So the average lifetime risk of breast cancer in women is 12%, meaning about 1 in 8 women will develop breast cancer in their lifetime. 咁因為女士一生上患上乳腺癌嘅風險平均係12%。換句話說，即係喺8位女士中有1位女士會患上乳腺癌嘅。Depending on your family history, your gynecologic history, and prior breast biopsy, you may be at a higher risk of developing breast cancer in your lifetime. And breast cancer screening modality changes depending on your risk factor. 根據你屋企人嘅癌病歷史，或者你本身嘅婦科歷史，或者以前你個乳房做過活檢，你一生人患上乳癌嘅風險可能會較高。咁乳腺癌嘅篩檢方式會根據你自己個風險因素嚟改變嘅。So why is breast cancer screening important? 點解乳癌嘅篩檢會咁重要呢？ Early stage breast cancer is asymptomatic. 好早期嘅乳腺癌係冇症狀嘅。Contrary to common belief, breast cancer rarely causes breast pain. 與一般想法嘅相反，乳癌其實係好少令到一位女士嘅乳房痛咗嘅。For average risk women, meaning no family history of cancer and no personal history of abnormal breast biopsy, screening mammogram is recommended starting the age of 40. 對於中等風險嘅女士，換句話說，即係屋企人冇癌病嘅歷史啊，各位女士本身個乳房嘅活結係冇唔正常嘅細胞啊。我哋係建議佢哋40歲開始就會進行乳房 X 光檢查嘅。Breast cancer is very treatable when detected at an early stage. 早期嘅乳腺癌係可以治癒嘅。The key to treating breast cancer is early detection. 能夠更早發現癌病咧，治癒嘅機會係更高。I would like to go over several types of mammogram. 我想解釋一下有唔同類型嘅乳房 X 光檢查。Here are some pictures of mammogram showing breasts of varying fatty composition. 以下係一啲乳房 X 光嘅相，係顯示唔同脂肪成分嘅乳房。On the left, the breast has the highest fatty content. 喺左邊嘅乳房 X 光係個脂肪含量最高嘅乳房。On the right, the breast has the lowest fatty content. 喺右邊係個脂肪含量最低嘅乳房。If an abnormality were to show up on a mammogram, it would be more obvious in a fatty breast compared to a non-fatty breast. 如果乳房 X 光檢查顯示現象嘅話咧，就會喺脂肪較多嘅乳房上會更加容易揾到。但係but there's a special type of mammogram that helps detect abnormality in a non-fatty breast. 但係有一種特別啲嘅乳房 X 光檢查，可以幫助有 脂肪含量較少嘅乳房嚟揾出有些少唔正常嘅細胞。So here are a picture of a non-fatty breast under a regular mammogram。喺左邊呢兩張相咧，係用普通乳房 X 光嚟檢查嘅脂肪較少嘅乳房嘅。At first, it looks like everything is normal。初初睇起嚟講係覺得冇乜嘢唔正常。When we use a special mammogram that create a 3D image of a breast tissue, a mass becomes more apparent。但係當用一個立體性嘅乳房 X 光檢查嗰陣時咧，乳房嘅硬塊會變得更加明顯。If a patient has breasts that are less fatty, I do recommend getting the 3D mammogram。如果一位女士嘅乳房脂肪係較少，我係會建議佢哋進行一個立體乳房 X 光檢查嘅。So screening mammogram is meant for patients who does not have symptoms in their breasts。預防性嘅乳房 X 光係適宜俾冇症狀嘅女士。What I mean by no symptom is no breast mass, no nipple discharge, and no changes with their breast exam。我所講話冇症狀嘅係指個病人冇摸到乳房嘅硬塊啊，或者乳頭係冇分泌物啊，同埋其他醫生幫位女士做乳房檢查嗰陣時係覺得冇乜變化。Insurance covers screening mammogram for women over the age of 40 once a year。當一位女士夠40歲或以上咧，保險公司係會包呢種乳房 X 光檢查嘅，係1年1次。Diagnostic mammogram is when patients have symptoms。診斷性嘅乳房 X 光檢查係適宜俾有症狀嘅女士。Symptoms such as breast mass, nipple retraction, nipple discharge, skin dimpling, or skin changes。新嘅乳房症狀係包括乳房摸到有硬塊啊，以前個乳頭係突咗出嚟，但係而家縮咗入去啊。乳頭有分泌物，跟住乳房嘅皮膚開始有凹凸啊，或者個皮膚有些少變化。This type of mammogram can be done at any time, meaning the patient does not need to wait a year from their last mammogram。呢種乳房 X 光係可以隨時進行嘅，係唔需要等足1年先至照一照個乳房嘅。If needed, ultrasound will be done at the time of mammogram。如果需要嘅話咧，做乳房 X 光檢查時，個病人會同一時候進行一個超聲波檢查嘅。So what happens when you encounter an abnormal breast imaging？ 咁當你遇到唔正常嘅乳房影像嗰陣時，我哋點做咧？ We would proceed with getting a biopsy or tissue sample to figure out the cause of the abnormal imaging。我哋會做活結嚟抽啲樣本嚟揾出影像現象嘅原因。The biopsy result can be one of 3 things: benign, atypical cells, or malignant。樣本檢查嘅結果可以分成3組，一係良性，一係惡性，或者有非典型嘅細胞。If malignant cells or cancer was found, patient would likely need surgery。如果發現樣本檢查發現到有惡性嘅細胞或者有癌性嘅細胞咧，個病人就會多數需要做手術㗎啦。If the biopsy comes back with a benign pathology, we have to ask ourselves if the benign pathology explain what was seen on the breast imaging。當個樣本檢查結果係顯示到良性嘅細胞，我哋要考慮呢個良性嘅細胞能唔能夠解釋我哋所見所喺個影像度見到嘅現象嘅原因。If the benign pathology explains the image appearance, then we typically would repeat the imaging in about 3 to 6 months to make sure there are no changes。如果個良性嘅活結可以解釋到我哋個影像顯示嘅結果咧，我哋多數會喺3至6個月後會再重複個一係預防 X 光啊或者超聲波嚟確實嗰個可疑嘅地方係冇乜改變嘅。If the pathology does not explain the imaging appearance, we would be worried about sampling error. In this case, we would recommend surgery to obtain more tissue to evaluate the area。但係如果活結結果係冇辦法解釋個影像嘅結果咧，我哋係擔心可能有抽樣本嗰時出咗錯誤。喺呢個情況下，我哋係會建議進行手術，而獲取多啲組織嚟徹底檢查可疑嘅地方。If the pathology comes back with atypical cells, there are situations where we would recommend surgery。如果活檢嘅結果係顯示有啲唔正常嘅細胞，即係好似有非典型嘅細胞咧，有陣時我哋係會建議做手術嘅。I want to show some pictures to help better illustrate. This is a picture of a female breast。我想用呢個圖案再解釋一下。呢個係一個女士乳房嘅圖案。The breast is made up of fatty tissue, milk globules, and milk duct。乳房係由脂肪嘅組織同埋乳房嘅小葉同埋乳腺道菇造成嘅。If I take a piece of milk duct and look at it under the microscope, on the left is what a normal milk duct looks like。如果喺個乳房度抽啲細胞出嚟，跟住喺顯微鏡度觀察，正常嘅乳腺導管係喺左邊嘅圖案咁。When cells starts to grow abnormally, it shows atypical features。當啲細胞開始異常生長嗰陣時咧，就會表現到非典型嘅特性。So the one in the middle 喺中間呢個。There's a possibility that early cancer is nearby。有機會喺呢啲非典型嘅細胞或者組織就會見到一個早期嘅癌性細胞。Therefore, we sometimes offer surgery to remove more tissue to confirm the absence of cancer。因此，我哋係會有時建議病人進行手術嚟確實呢度附近係冇癌性細胞嘅。So here are some examples of high-risk breast pathology。呢度係有啲所謂高危嘅乳房病理嘅例子。Atypical ductal hyperplasia, atypical lobular hyperplasia, and lobular carcinoma in situ, which we abbreviate as LCIS。咁高危嘅組織係包括非典型嘅導管、非典型嘅小葉同埋小葉嘅原位癌。The presence of any of these pathologies correlate to a high risk of developing breast cancer in a woman's lifetime。 如果一位女士有任何呢種細胞嘅話咧，會令到佢一生人患上乳癌嘅風險會較高。The risk is not just where the lesion is located, it's for both breasts, whether or not the lesion is excised. 個風險係唔單止呢啲細胞嘅位置度，其實兩邊嘅乳房都係會受影響嘅，個風險會變高。無論呢啲細胞係咪透過手術切除咗，個風險都係會係高啲嘅。When women are found to have an elevated lifetime risk of developing breast cancer, we recommend a different screening schedule. 當一位女士，我哋發覺一位女士患上乳癌嘅風險較高嗰陣時咧，我哋係會建議用唔同嘅預防性影像嚟檢查嘅。In addition to yearly mammogram, we would also recommend supplemental breast MRI and twice yearly clinical breast exam. 除咗每年做預防 X 光檢查之外咧，我哋都會建議高危嘅女士進行預防嘅 MRI 或者磁力共振，同埋每年起碼醫生做個預防檢查都2次。Mammogram and MRI are ideally staggered 6 months apart. 預防 X 光檢查同埋預防嘅 MRI 磁力共振最好就係隔6個月，咁每6個月都有個預防檢查。So this is a picture of a breast MRI. The breast MRI is done with the patient laying on their stomach. 呢個圖案係顯示一位女士進行緊個預防嘅磁力共振。做磁力共振嗰陣時咧，個位女士係會瞓喺佢個腹部，等個預防係墮下嘅。So I want to go back and talk more about what we do when we encounter malignant cells or cancer cells at the time of biopsy. 咁我想講返，咁我哋做活結嗰陣時，如果遇到啲惡性細胞或者癌性細胞，下一個步驟應該點做咧？ So a common first thought when patients hear that they have a cancer diagnosis is they think, why? How did this happen? 當病人第一次聽到自己患上癌病嗰陣時，佢哋通常都會諗點解會患上癌病嘅？ I often reassure patients that they did nothing wrong that led to this diagnosis. It's just bad luck. 我會通常安慰啲病人，話俾佢哋聽，佢哋根本冇做錯嘢嚟令到佢哋患上癌病，即係唔係食錯嘢、做錯嘢之類，係其實真係唔好彩嘅啫。Just like how men have prostate and therefore get prostate cancer, women have breast tissue and therefore get breast cancer. 就似男士有前列腺，因此就會患上前列腺癌；女士因為有乳房嘅組織，咁就會患上乳癌嘅啦。About 10 to 15% of the time, a breast cancer diagnosis is due to a genetic mutation. 但係大約10至15% 嘅時候，患上乳癌係因為有基因嘅突變。This is more common in patients with other family member with breast or ovarian cancer, or if patients are diagnosed with cancer at a very young age. 呢種情況係多數屋企人有其他人患上乳癌或者卵巢癌先至會見到基因突變，或者個病人係好年輕嗰陣時患上乳癌嘅。There's a team of doctors who work together to take care of a breast cancer patient, and I want to go over the role of each one. 係有一組醫生係一齊照顧 有患上乳癌嘅病人嘅。我想介紹每個醫生嘅角色。So I am a breast surgeon, and what I can do is I can surgically excise or remove the cancer that is in the breast or even in the lymph node. 我係一位乳房外科醫生，咁我能做嘅就係透過手術嚟切除啲喺乳房有嘅癌性細胞，或者喺淋巴結嘅癌性細胞。The patient will also see a medical oncologist who talk about the role of medicine that helps lower the likelihood of the cancer coming back. 病人都會見到一個腫瘤嘅內科醫生，腫瘤內科醫生會講解點樣用藥嚟降低乳癌復發嘅機會。The patient also meet with a radiation oncologist who talk about the role of radiation to further lower the likelihood of the cancer coming back in the breast. 病人都會見一個電療嘅醫生。呢種醫生係會解釋點樣用電療再降低乳房乳癌復發嘅機會。For early breast cancer, the sequence of treatment is typically surgery first before the other doctors take care of them. 對於早期乳癌嚟講咧，醫療嘅次序係先進行手術，先至到其他醫生嚟幫助嘅。There is a common misconception that breast cancer surgery will leave the patients disfigured. 有好多人都會誤會做乳癌手術就會令到個病人個乳房毀容嘅。When breast cancer is detected early and when they are small, we can do breast conserving surgery for patients to keep their breasts without a noticeable cosmetic defect. 當乳癌係早期發現嘅話，或者個腫瘤係仲係好細粒嗰陣時，我哋可以為病人進行一個乳房保留嘅手術。唔單止可以保留個乳房，仲甚至可以令到個傷口係令到佢哋一啲都唔明顯嘅。But in cases where patient needs a mastectomy, there are several ways that a mastectomy is done. 但係如果個病人係需要進行成個乳房切除嘅手術，有幾種方法做呢種手術嘅。There is the option of going flat, where the breast, the nipple, and the skin of the breast is removed. 如果個病人想成個乳房切除，跟住個胸部係平嘅話咧，我哋就會切除個乳房、個乳頭同埋乳房嘅皮膚嘅。Or there is the option of breast reconstruction that can be done the same day, where the breast and the nipple are removed, but the skin of the breast is left behind for reconstruction. 有另外一個選擇係可以切除個乳房同埋個乳頭，但係乳房嘅皮膚係留低，等個病人可以進行一個乳房重建嘅手術。呢一種手術可以同一日做嘅添。The nipple can be recreated at a later time using a 3D nipple tattoo technique. 個乳頭之後可以利用立體性嘅紋身方法嚟再做個乳頭嘅。There is also an option of a nipple-sparing mastectomy where the nipple is preserved for reconstruction. 仲有一個選擇可以保留個乳頭嘅，咁個病人可以進行個乳房重建嘅手術。So these three pictures are of the same patient. 呢三張相係同一個病人嘅。The picture on the left is of the patient before her surgery, where both breasts are removed. 喺左邊嘅幅相咧，係一位50歲嘅女士，係佢做手術之前影嘅。呢位女士係選擇做兩邊嘅乳房切除嘅手術。 The picture in the middle is after her mastectomy, where her breast is removed, but a temporary implant that is placed, and this temporary implant expands to the size of the breast that she wants. 嗱，中間張相咧係呢位女士做咗手術之後，佢已經切除咗兩邊嘅乳房，但係我哋放咗一個臨時嘅植入物，呢個植入物可以擴大到佢想要嘅乳房嘅 size 或者嘅尺寸。The picture on the right is when the temporary tissue expander is replaced with a final silicone implant. 咁右邊幅相咧係呢位女士做個臨時植物入已經擴大到佢中意嘅尺寸，跟住我哋換咗去最終嘅所謂叫硅膠嘅乳房植入物嘅。So in regards to breast reconstruction option, here are some pictures of some examples. 關於乳房重建手術嘅選擇，呢個圖案係顯示啲例子啦。We talked about the option of silicone implant, where it can be done at the same time of the mastectomy, so the patient can wake up from surgery with a new breast. 之前我已經講過係有可以選擇做個硅膠乳房嘅植入物，咁其實上係呢種手術可以喺乳房切除嘅手術同一日做，咁就會令到個病人做完手術醒咗之後咧，就會見到自己有新嘅乳房。Or the plastic surgeon can move muscles and tissue from the back and muscles and tissue from the abdomen to create a new breast. 或者個整形嘅外科醫生可以移動背脊嗰啲肌肉啊，或者脂肪同埋腹部嘅肌肉同脂肪嚟創造一個新嘅乳房。So I wanted to review this diagram again to explain an additional part of breast cancer surgery, the lymph nodes. 我想再用呢個圖案嚟解釋乳癌手術嘅另外一個部分係個淋巴結。The natural progression of breast cancer is that if the cancer were to spread, it will follow the lymphatic system and go to the lymph node first before going elsewhere in the body. 乳癌如果係需要擴散嘅話咧，佢係會跟住乳房嘅淋巴液去胳肋底嘅淋巴結先至去其他地方嘅。At the time of surgery, we want to sample a first few draining lymph nodes that drains the breast. 咁做乳癌手術嗰陣時咧，我哋想切除幾粒淋巴結嚟做化驗。So how we find these few draining lymph nodes is by injecting the breast with two medicine, one that is radioactive and one that is color blue. 咁我哋點樣揾呢幾粒淋巴結咧？就係透過乳房我哋會注射兩種藥，一隻藥係藍色嘅，另外一隻藥係有些少輻射性嘅。These medicine will follow the lymphatic system of the breast and go to the lymph node in the axilla. 呢啲藥係會跟住乳房嘅淋巴液去到胳肋底嘅淋巴結嗰度。So at the time of surgery, we can see the color blue and detect radioactivity to know which lymph nodes to remove. 咁做手術嗰陣時咧，我哋係會見到藍色嘅淋巴結，或者揾到有放射性嘅淋巴結。The fact that a lymph node is blue or radioactive does not mean the node has cancer. It just means that if cancer were to spread, that's where they would go first. 當啲淋巴結有些少藍色啊，或者有放射性啊，係唔代表呢啲淋巴結已經有癌性細胞，只係話萬一個癌性細胞擴散嘅話咧，佢哋係會去呢幾粒淋巴結先。So by removing the nodes for examination and confirming that there is no cancer in the lymph node, we know that the cancer has not spread. 咁當我哋切除咗呢幾粒淋巴結嘅話，喺顯微鏡下係確實呢幾粒淋巴結係冇癌性細胞嗰陣時咧，我哋就會知道個癌病係仲未擴散。By selectively removing the lymph nodes draining the breast and leaving those draining the arm behind, there is less chance of developing lymphedema. 透過選擇性地切除預防嘅淋巴結，係會保留到嘅手臂嘅淋巴結，咁樣就可以減少發生淋巴水腫嘅機會啦。So I talked about what surgery entails for breast cancer. I want to go over what other doctors do in the breast cancer treatment. 咁我啱啱講完關於乳癌嘅手術內容，我想翻嚟講翻下其他醫生嘅喺乳癌醫療嘅角色。So I want to go over what the medical oncologists offer. 我想先介紹一下腫瘤內科醫生嘅角色。It is a common misconception that all cancer patients will need chemotherapy. 好多人會誤會有癌病嘅患者就一定要需要化療藥，其實唔係咁樣嘅。What is unique about breast cancer is their hormone receptor. 乳癌嘅特別之處係因為佢哋有荷爾蒙嘅受體。The most common type of breast cancer has estrogen hormone receptor, meaning the cancer feeds off of the estrogen that is circulating in the body to keep growing. 最常見嘅乳癌類型係有刺激素嘅受體，即係對女士荷爾蒙有反應嘅。即係話呢一種癌性細胞係依靠個病人身體裡面嘅刺激素或者女士荷爾蒙嚟維持生長嘅。Patient often thinks that because they are in menopause, they do not have estrogen hormone circulating in their body. 好多病人以為佢哋已經過咗更年期啦，佢哋身體唔應該有呢啲刺激素或者女士嘅荷爾蒙。Menopause just means that the ovaries stop making estrogen. Other body parts can still make estrogen hormone. 更年期只係話個女士嘅卵巢唔再製造呢啲刺激素或者女士荷爾蒙，但係身體其他部分都可以繼續製造呢啲刺激素或者女士荷爾蒙嘅。We now have medicine available to prevent the body from making estrogen hormone, which lowers the likelihood of the cancer coming back. 我哋而家係有啲藥可以阻止身體產生呢啲刺激素或者女士荷爾蒙，跟住就會降低乳癌復發嘅機會。To further lower the likelihood of the cancer coming back, radiation therapy is sometimes offered for the patient by the radiation oncologist. 再進一步降低乳癌復發嘅機會。電療醫生可能會建議病人接受電療嘅醫療嘅。So this is a picture of what a radiation therapy session entails. 呢個圖案係顯示電療嘅過程嘅內容嘅。So a course of radiation typically ranges from 4 to 6 weeks. It goes from Monday through Friday. few minutes each time。電療嘅過程係多數4至6個星期，係每日星期1至5嘅，但係每次係得幾分鐘嘅先。But I understand that there is a lot to consider in regards to breast cancer treatment。我明白諗起乳癌嘅醫療係覺得好多壓力，係好多嘢要諗。My goal as a breast surgeon is allowing patients to look in the mirror without a reminder that they had cancer。我所謂做乳房外科醫生嘅目標係想令到病人當佢哋望住塊鏡嗰陣時係唔會成日記住佢哋自己做過乳癌手術嘅。Breast cancer screening allows us to detect breast cancer early。咁乳癌嘅篩檢係可以幫助我哋好早揾到乳癌，咁就可以早啲接受醫療。So I hope I was able to convey to you the importance of breast cancer screening and what my role is as a breast surgeon. And thank you for your time. 我希望能夠向大家表達到乳癌嘅篩檢嘅重要性，同埋我所謂做乳房外科醫生嘅責任。多謝你哋嘅時間。